Hello everyone, my name is Hayden Danielson and I'm the Senior Onboarding Coach here at Tovuti. In this walkthrough, we'll be taking a look at how to make a user an administrator. Specifically, we'll be taking a look at how to make someone a site administrator. Think of a site administrator as like a super admin. This is someone who is going to be able to access everything in the administrator options, from the People tab all the way down to the Configuration tab. Keep in mind, only fellow admins can make someone else an admin in Tovuti. Let's take a look at an example here in the User Manager. Specifically, we're going to be clicking into Jane Doe's profile. Once we do so, we can navigate to the Assigned User Groups tab. Here underneath the Assigned User Groups tab, all we need to do is checkbox the Site Administrator group and click Save. I also want to note that this permission can be revoked at any time by another fellow administrator by clicking on this same box here and clicking Save once again. Once we've checked this box, this will make the user a site administrator on your platform. Make sure to notify the new admin of their updated permissions and ensure that they are aware of how to operate the Tovuti administrator features. In addition, once the new admin logs in, they will be able to access the administrator options by going to the top right-hand corner of the user portal, clicking on these three dots, and accessing the administrator options. Making a user a site administrator on the platform is extremely easy. Having a team of site admins ensures that your organization can work effectively and double-check each other's work within the admin options. Thank you all so much for taking the time to understand how to make someone an administrator. We hope that this information is helpful as you continue to build out your one-of-a-kind platform. We'll see you all next time.